Hello friends, today our lecture is how to find rational number between two rational number. So let us consider the two rational number a by b and c by d. Here a, b, c and d are integer and also b not equal to 0 and d not equal to 0. We can find many rational number between a by b and c by d using the two method given below. Number 1 formula method and number 2 same denominator method. तो फार्मूला मेथड क्या कहता है? Let a and b be any two given rational number. We can find many rational number q1, q2, q3 and so on in between a and b as follow. q1 is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b. q2 is equal to 1 by 2 a plus q1. q3 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus q2 and so on. The number q2, q3 lie to the left of q1, left of q1, q1, left of q1, q1, q2, q3. Similarly, q4, q5 are the rational number between a and b lie to the right of q1 as follow. q4 is equal to 1 by 2 into q1 plus b lie to the left of q1 and right of q1, right of q1 lie to the right of q1, q4. And second is q5 is equal to 1 by 2 into q4 plus b. You see q1 lie to the right of q1, q4, q5. Example 1. Find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Solution. Let q be the rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. q हमारा क्या है? रैशनल नंबर है, 3 by 4 एंड 4 by 5 के बीच में है. ठीक है. तो देन वी हैव, you know that by the formula method q is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b. a and b क्या है हमारा? 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. तो you put q is equal to 1 by 2 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 into 20. 4 and 5 का एलसीएम लिए तो हमारा कितना आया? 20 आया. 15 plus 16 हाउ? 4 into 3 into 5 is equal to 15 plus 4 into 4, because 4 into 5 is equal to 20. तो 5 multiply by 4, तो 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 1 by 2 into 31 plus in divided by 20. तो q is equal to कितना आ गया? 31 by 40. 2 into 20 is equal to 40. So the rational number between 3 by 4 and 4 by 5 is 31 by 40. And other example 2, find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. The solution. Let q1, q2, q3, q4 and q5 be the rational number between 1 and 2. First, let us get q1. q1 is equal to 1 by 2 a plus b. q1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 is equal to 3 by 2. तो Q1 इक्वल टू कितना आ गया 3/2। नाउ लेट फाइंड Q2, Q3, Q4 एंड Q5। तो Q2 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू A प्लस Q1 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 प्लस 1 प्लस 3/2 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 2 प्लस 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू 5/2 इज इक्वल टू 5/4। Q3 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू A प्लस Q2 का वैल्यू रखेंगे 1/2 इंटू 1 प्लस 5/4। क्यों? क्योंकि Q2 का वैल्यू कितना आया था 5/4 इज इक्वल टू 1/2। अब एलसीएम लिए 1 एंड 4 का एलसीएम 4 आएगा एंड 4 प्लस 5 इज डिवाइडेड बाई 4 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू 9/4 is equal to 9/8. Now Q4 is equal to 1/2 into A plus Q3 is equal to 1/2 into 1 plus 9/8 is equal to 1/2 into 8 plus 9/8 is equal to 1/2 into 17/8 is equal to 17/16. And Q5 is equal to 1/2 A plus Q4 is equal to 1/2 into 1 plus 17 divided by 16 is equal to 1/2 16 plus 17 divided by 16 is equal to 1/2 into 33/16 is equal to 33/32. So the 5 rational numbers are 3/2, 5/4, 9/8, 17/16 and 33/32. So अब यदि यह सोचते होंगे कि फार्मूला मेथड एंड सेम डिनोमिनेटर मेथड से सॉल्व करने पे जो वैल्यू आएगी हमारी सेम आएगी, बट ऐसा नहीं है, डिफरेंट वैल्यू आएगी। बट जो वैल्यू आएगी वो हमारे दो रैशनल नंबर के बीच में ही होंगे। ओके, तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे सेम डिनोमिनेटर मेथड और कैसे हम लोग उसके बीच में का रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।